Hello guys, welcome to Shannon's Falls here in British Columbia, Canada. Look at that. This is the cascading water that comes from the top of the mountain. That's the source of the water. Look at that from the mountain. And it's cascading. It's been raining for the past couple of days, so as you can see, the volume of water just increased, which makes this spectacular scenery, cascading water through the rocks. It makes it more dramatic. Welcome to Shannon Falls. I have my camera set up here. Look at that. I'm just recording a video of this spectacular fall.